rejected affection for years and years, nowhere out. And then it's kind of weird. Who tells me I'm pretty? Don't know how to respond. I tell him that he's pretty too. Can I say that? Don't have a clue. With every passing moment I surprise myself. I'm scared of flies, I'm scared of guys. Someone please help.